Hey guys, welcome to Module 2 of the Acing that Client Interview series. And for today, we're going to talk about how to sell yourself. And this covers from, building the list of possible clients to reaching out to these clients and to hopping on discovery calls. So, three parts ito. So, if you're not done yet with the previous one, which is actually building the perfect profile, then please do not proceed to this. And once again, I'm Jam. I'm your trainer for today. We have a worksheet for this specific module, which is linked below in the description box. So before you go through this module, make sure you hit that link in the description box, print that, and so you have like a worksheet because this is actually part of your actual VA business plan. And so if you don't have a printer, no worries, just get a pen and paper and you're all set. All right. And before I even start with this module, once again, if you're not part of Barangay VA, community yet, then go ahead and join by clicking the link in the profile. So you'll be properly onboarded and you'll get access of to the free VA course that we have for you. Now, first part is building your client list. Okay. So in your module, you see this. Okay. I created, you know, a template, a client list template, which you can download by, either clicking the link in the description box or scanning this. All right. Because you need to have this client list template. Why? This is the lead generation part, guys. Okay. So this is where you prospect. All right. And it's important as a business, whether you have, current clients now or none, you have to be able to do this prospecting part because as a business, lead generation never stops. So that when you actually lose a client, you have backup clients for you in the future. So you can hop on a call with them, get to know them, actually build relationships. So it's better for you to win them in the future. This type of lead generation is push, wherein actually connect, you reach out to possible or future clients yourself. So in that sheet, okay, you will see here the following, no? Part of that is the name of the client, the link of their socials, either LinkedIn. I reach out through LinkedIn or through Instagram. Those two accounts only. So if you're looking for a specific target market such as life coach, just on Instagram or on LinkedIn, type life coach and you will see their profiles. So put all their profiles here, the link of their profiles here, and then if you see their email, you can use tools such as Apollo and you'll get to see their emails, copy and paste it here, their contact number if applicable. But if you have the emails or the link of their socials already, you're good to go. So this is not necessary. And of course, the status, if you're able to reach out, did they um schedule for discovery call? Is it for contract signing? Um did they decline the offer or is it good to go? Okay, and then whatever the status is, put the remarks here such as, for example, hopped on a call for discovery call, and then put the remarks, the date, when, what time, or the link of the Zoom or whatever. So that's how it works. So I need you to start doing lead gen based on your, target market and start doing 20. Start building that prospecting list. But as of now, I don't want you to reach out yet because I want you to finish the whole series of acing that client interview first before actually doing that. Okay, so you're fully equipped. But yeah, you can start, building that prospect leads list already. Okay, so that is the lead gen part, and it's a nonstop thing. So please keep on doing this. Next is once you have that list, it's time to reach out to your clients. In that sheet, you'll see the checklist on how to actually reach out to your clients. First is you have to be able to research about that client and his or her business. So you have an idea on how to actually approach. Next is read and analyze their needs or qualifications. Okay, but based on what you've seen there, um, and based on your observation, you should be able to, or if you had a conversation with this person, then you have to be able to analyze their needs. Okay, or if there's like a job description or job posting or job list there, you have to be able to, understand that. Next is to audit their page or website if applicable. Why? Because if you are applying as a social media manager or creative, then before you face the client, you have to be able to, audit their pages. So when you speak to them, you can lay down everything that you think they need to improve on and how you go about it as a business. Next is prepare your personalized profile. Once again, every job listing or job opening means new customized profile. So that's your um resume, portfolio, intro video, and cover letter. Okay. And lastly, send that application. All right. That's the checklist, basically how you actually approach. And there are more ways to approach through LinkedIn. And this is something that I can discuss in the future. All right. But for now, this is a checklist. Lastly, okay, pre-qualifying clients. Actually, this is not the last part, but yeah. It's very important that you pre-qualify clients. Why? Because you want to make sure that as a business, you succeed. All right. It's not just clients who pre-qualify us, it's us pre-qualifying their clients to make sure that you are going to be successful to for as a business for this client. So it's important that in your sheet you identify the top 5 deal breakers as a business. Okay, na once one of the following appears during your discovery call, then you can reject. All right. So, for example, me as a business, as a VA sourcer, it's important that it is not a startup agency. Because why? Because if it's a startup agency, all right, and they don't have leads yet, so they pay me on a monthly basis, but there's no leads, then they're paying me for nothing. Then they're just putting out money from their pockets, and then their business will fail, and then I will lose the job. So I have to make sure that they have a client list already, or they have, a sales team already with clients. So when I come in, I know it's going to be like a continuous one. So it's a sustainable business for me and for the client at the same time. So what are your top 5 deal breakers? All right, identify. And once you're done, go to the next one, which is your discovery call guide. Discovery call guide is more of, this one is for um you know businesses or freelancers that are into, you know um direct clients, because it's not them interviewing you, it's you interviewing them. It's you diagnosing their problem and identifying if you guys are a great fit to work together. All right, so it's the other way around. So what is the purpose of a discovery call? You see that in your sheet. Okay, is it's to identify if the client is a good fit for your business. Okay, because once again, you have deal breakers. That's where your deal breakers come in. So this is the part where you listen. Okay, so who are you as a business? What is your goal? Okay, what are the current issues you're facing right now? Why did you reach out to me? What are the things that you are struggling with in your business, etc. You just listen to them. And then that's when, okay, second is that's when you talk about your business and how it can help your client based on what they mentioned. And if you can't help the client or their business, then you have to talk about it and why. Why is this not a good match for the both of you? All right. And then you stop there if it's not a good match. But if it's a good match, then next you talk about your business process. So this is how I work, or how this is how we work. You have to lay down your terms and set boundaries from here as early as this. Okay? Like, when do you work? When do you not work? You only accept what? Things like that. Of course, it comes with the SOPs of your business as well, and it's normally written in the agreement. So the summary of the clauses and agreement should be here as well. And then talk about the next steps if they want to proceed. Okay. So some it during this discovery call, usually you have a presentation, and I have a template of a presentation, and it's gonna be linked in the description box, and it's going to and you can access it once you scan this QR code. But get a copy. It's a blank one, a very plain one. Why? Because I just wanted to put like the skeleton, like the backbone, like the topics that should be in that pitch deck. It's called the pitch deck, okay, or the presentation. And based on your brandings, edit it. If you want to add, or if you want to eliminate stuff there, it's up to you. But it's just like a backbone or a guide for you. So when you face your client on the discovery call, then you have this perfect pitch deck for them. All right. That's it for selling yourself. I hope this module helped you a lot. If yes, go ahead and share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated with our future modules. And assignment is to comment below your learnings about these modules and your realizations. That's it for me for this module. See you on the next one. Have a great day.